children? Children, today I am going to take English for 7th class. Unit 7. Textbook page number 1 or 2. Yes. The wonderful world of chess. Wonderful world of chess. Look at the following pictures. See the following pictures and let us read. Some words are given in the box. Hide and seek, shuttle, hurdles, coco, carom, long jump, volleyball, football, basketball, tennis, cricket, high jump, chess, table tennis, gilli dhanda, weightlifting, hopscotch, relay, skipping, badminton, hockey, javelin throw, kabaddi, discus throw. And see the pictures, children. Yes, we just now we have read some names of some of the games and see the pictures there, and below some questions are given. Let us read that. Name the games and sports that you see in the picture. Name the games and sports that you play. Write the names under the appropriate picture. After that, oral discourse, talk on your favorite game or sport. Yes, name the games and sports that you see in the picture. So you can write some of the names of the sports and games. High jump, hockey, tennis, volleyball, cricket, disc throw, weightlifting, javelin throw, badminton, long jump. These are some of the names of the sports and games. The next question, you can write many if you want. You can write all the games and sports which is given in that yellow color box. The next answer, name the games and sports that you play. I play chess, basketball, throw ball, caroms, table tennis, cricket, skipping, hide and seek, coco, kabaddi and badminton. So write the names under appropriate pictures. So okay, how can you write, children? So there is no place. Okay, we will do one thing. Let us number the pictures. Put the numbers for the pictures in the textbook. Like you have pictures here. First picture number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that, put numbers for these pictures. Okay? Yes. Now, what is first picture? Number 1. See that, children? That is high jump. That is high jump. So, in this yellow color box, see where is high jump. So, high jump is here. So, put number 1 here. Okay? Next, number 2 picture. Number 2 picture is, what is number 2 picture? Yes, tennis. Number 2 picture is tennis. So see tennis in this box. Where is tennis? Yes, here. So put number 2 here. Okay, like that we have to write all the numbers in the yellow color box in which the names of the games and sports are given. Okay, and next one is talk on your favorite game or sports. My favorite game. I play many games. They include both indoor and outdoor games. I also like to play tennis, throw ball, etc. But badminton is my favorite game. It is fascinating game. So it is played between two parties. Each party may have one or two players. They stand opposite to one another. In between them, there will be a net spread wide. It is played with rackets and shuttlecock. The shuttlecock is made of cock feathers. A badminton player should be active and strong. He should be able to run quickly, jump and hop instantly. I am a good player of badminton. I enjoy it very much. I go to school ground for practice daily. I hope to play for my country. So this is about the picture reading, that is which we have completed now, and let us start this unit 7A, that is the wonderful world of chess. The wonderful world of chess. Yes, before starting the lesson, let us see the glossary. Vanish, to disappear or stop being present or exciting. Pauper, a very poor person. Penetrate, to move into or through something. Opponent, a person being competed against in a game or a sport. Accountant, someone who keeps the records of money received, paid and owned. Abstract, filled with feelings of admiration or respect. Figure, a number. Gigantic, enormous, extremely large. Restricted, limited especially by rules, laws, etc. Capture, to take someone as a prisoner especially by force. Sorry. Affiliated, become part of a larger group of organization. Limelight, public attention. Involve, that is include. Yes, page number 103. A reading. Read the following. Which game or sport do you like? Or of all the games, don't you think chess is very special? For example, It is one of the games that needs a lot of mental activity and almost no physical activity. So, chess is a very interesting game. It's very special. But if one wants to play chess, they needs a lot of mental activity and almost no physical activity. Can you say a few more differences? What words come to your mind when you think of chess? Write them in the bubbles. Use the words in the box. So here some words are given in the box, children. Use these words and write here. Bishop, pawn, defense, knight, grandmaster, rook, king, rapid chess, queen, chessman, draw, sacrifice, move, whites, blacks, square. So here some boxes are given. We have to fill this box. Let us fill it, children. You can fill it along with me. So this is the chess board. Okay children, so did you all finish this? Write that in the boxes. Pawn, king, bishop, blacks, move, defense, checkmate, rapid chess, white, queen, knight, square, defense, draw, chessman, grandmaster. Yes. What do you know about chess? What do chess men do? How do they move? What does the word checkmate mean? To find answers to these questions and to know some interesting things about chess, let us read and understand this essay. So to know the questions like what do you know about chess? What do chessmen do? How do they move? What does the word checkmate means? To find the answers, we must read the essay. Read quickly and answer the following questions. Is chess played only in a few countries or all over the world? Who invented chess? Is chess an expensive game? Can the chessmen move in any way they like? What is the national body for chess? Do we have good chess players in India? Name a few. So these are the questions. You should give me the answers for this in written form. Now read the essay paying social attention to the words to bold print, guess their meaning and check them with the glossary. So the wonderful world of chess. Introduction. Kingdoms have vanished. Kingdoms have vanished. Vanished means disappeared. Vanished. Kings have gone. Kings have gone. But one game they played remained with us. Only kings have gone. Kingdoms have gone. Only thing, a game which they played remained with us. Remained with us. And probably remains with us forever. Probably it will be with us forever. Chess. That is chess. It has won the hearts of Indians. Chess has won the hearts of Indians, Egyptians, Persians, Chinese, Japanese and every thinking animal on earth. What is it that made it so dear to our hearts? Different people give different reasons. So many kingdoms have vanished, so many kings have vanished who played this game. But the game is remaining with us. Not only now, it will be there forever. And many people gave a different reasons about this game. So let us discuss this in the next session. So now it's the time for you all to write the Sakshi column. So now write Sakshi children. In the next class we will discuss about the lesson. Textbook page number 104. You have 6 questions. Answer for the question. Write answers. In classwork. First, you will have to write this. The wonderful world of chess. Look the picture. Like so many different pictures are given. Write the games, and for that you have 3 questions. Write the 3 questions. Then after that, coming to the lesson, you will write the name of the lesson, and after that write the glossary part. After writing the glossary part, you will write these questions. Answer for these questions. For answer for these 6 questions, you will write in the classwork, and you will take the photo and send it to the school mail ID. Okay children? So we'll meet you in the next class. Till then, take care children. Bye.